just how we're using WBS to help it out. So the first thing to talk about is actually what is a WS. So WS, the acronym stands for Work Breakdown Structure. So WS is essentially a project management tool that allows groups to communicate and being able to look at deliverables and use reasoning to be able to go, okay, that is something we need to do. This is the deliverable we need to work on. And just being able to really communicate with a group and being able to show what they want to deliver on is a key part of a WBS. So how, when, and why should we use a WBS? So WBS, to implement it, it's done first off in the planning phase with the group involved. So you do it with your teammates, you're doing it with, it's one of your first things they do. So like right after pretty much your project proposal, you're already putting it together. And then you're organizing resources and deliverables. Whenever you use this WBS, you're creating different subjects for the project, so far as like, if you're organizing a meeting and you're using a WBS for that, you're organizing it as like, the introduction of the meeting, the content of the meeting, and maybe the ending of the meeting, and anything else revolving around it. And then it also, a really cool purpose of it is it allows for what may be unseen. It's like something that not a lot of people think about or something like that. They are allowing it to be revealed and just allows for a really, just a lot of clarity within a project. So this is ours right here. So I'm going to kind of explain why WBS matters. So with ours, for example, right, we're doing a study abroad trip to Costa Rica. So there's 5 aspects of this really. There's academic, cultural, social, project management, and then just other miscellaneous things. So for example, like with academic, we have business, technology, lectures, cultural, there's food, local connection, hotspots, social, activities, sightseeing, day-to-day. Project management, we have cost, time, when, and a sponsor. And just other stuff we have like marketing, how many and who. So with all these in place, we can look at, okay, there's 5 aspects to this trip. With each one of these things, we can go, okay, for example, what's the cost of the trip? Who's going to sponsor it? What are some day-to-day activities we can do to be able to keep the room, or to keep the study abroad trip fun and keeping it social, so that way you go closer with the people you're with. What's some food options that students can enjoy to enjoy the culture? And what are some lectures that people can attend, or some businesses that they can network with to get a more of an academic impact?